Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use the past continuous tense. When we talk about something that was still happening at a specific time in the past, we use the past continuous tense. So let's have a look at the sentence structure. If the subject is I, he, she, or it, we use was. That tells us that it was in the past. And then the verb plus ing, and that makes it continuous. For example, playing, doing. If the subject is we, you, or they, we use were. Were tells us that it is past tense, and we use verb plus ing, which tells us it's continuous. Have a look at sentence example 1. I was playing squash at 10 o'clock this morning. So here we have a specific time in the past, 10 o'clock this morning. We have the subject I, so we use was to tell us it was in the past. And we have verb plus ing, playing, which makes it continuous. So that is a past continuous sentence. Sentence example 2. They were skiing at noon yesterday. So here we have a specific time in the past, noon yesterday. The subject is they, so we used the word were. That tells us it is in the past. And we have verb plus ing, skiing. So this makes it a past continuous tense sentence. Let's have a look at another example. You were up late watching TV last night. So here we have a specific point in time. We are talking about last night. The subject is you, so we used the word were. That tells us it is past tense. And we have verb plus ing, which makes it watching, and that tells us that it is continuous. So this is a past continuous tense sentence. Let's have a look at one more example. We were dancing at the party last night. So here we have a specific time in the past. I'm talking about last night. The subject is we, so I used the word were, which tells us that it is past tense. And here is my verb dance, and I added ing to make it dancing, and that makes it continuous. So here we have a past continuous tense sentence. Excellent job with the past continuous. Well done. Goodbye.